Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Mazum, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and it's a pleasure to be with you and happy Friday to you to begin with. As always, it is important for me, before I say anything, that anything which we'll be discussing in this short video, as always, can never be perceived as an advice. This is purely for education purposes. The full disclaimer is on our website. Now, let's have a look at the markets and let's see what the markets are doing. So what we're seeing in the Dow Jones and for the US equity market is the massive plunge to the downside. And this is primarily because Donald Trump has tested positive for coronavirus, something which many investors and traders didn't really expected. That no one has a trade in the plan, especially for this particular one. Everyone was expecting that, yes, okay, today is going to be all about the US non-farm payroll data, and then the momentum was that, okay, it was set for a more positive number because the unemployment number was supposed to drop from 8.4% to 8.2%. But right now, that is not the focus among investors and traders. The focus is that, okay, what does this really mean that Trump has tested positive with respect to coronavirus, and how that is really going to influence the market? Because right now, as I've mentioned, the markets are down well over 400 points. Well, for me, there are two important aspects. First of all, what does this really mean for the fiscal policy, especially with respect to the second stimulus check? And secondly, are we going to see any further delays with respect to the US elections? And if Trump's position or situation deteriorates, is he going to be transferred to the hospital, or whether he will stay in the White House? Because if he stays from the White House, that still means that he can still do a lot of stuff from the White House, and that he can still continue his campaign rally. But yes, speculations are increasing that Biden is likely to he's likely to win this US elections. But markets are more concerned about what are the implications of this particular event and where are we going to move forward. So between now and the 1:30 UK PM, I think the focus is likely to remain on this particular news, and then everyone will start focusing on the US NFP. But the dominant story for today is going to be what is going to happen with the US market, given the fact that Donald Trump has got this coronavirus, and how the market is really going to shape for the next 14 days. One thing is pretty clear with respect to the market, and that is that we are likely to continue to see higher volatility in the coming days. That's all for today. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys next day.